Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump right into this with my August BoxyCharm box. So this right here I'm putting on my face is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and I'm just going to rub this all over my face. It gave me a nice lightweight glow. Next thing I'm going to do is take this Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 290. Going to put this on my eyelid. You can see that I already have my brows done or semi-done. So I'm just going to put this on my lids. And then the next product is another BoxyCharm product. It's by Becca. It's the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. And I've never even heard of this before, but it's a loose powder, and when you put it on to set your makeup, it's wet. So it's like a loose powder, but it's a setting mist as well. It's really cool. I was very surprised when I tried, as you can see. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this other BoxyCharm product. This is by Ace Beauty. This is one of their glimmer shadow duos. The box came with two. This color is very beautiful. It's the color Cotton Candy, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lids. Okay, so I'm gonna do a light crease color, and this is my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and of course you saw that it was the light brown shade in this palette. Just gonna put this in my crease, and then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just clean up my edges, get that makeup off the corner of my eyes, and then I'm going to move on to my primer. And for primer today, I am going to use this No Problem by Touch and Soul. I really do like this primer. It does what it's supposed to do. It's one of the ones that I gravitate towards when I'm using primers. So I'm gonna move back to the eyes, and this is another product that came in the box. It is by Tarte. It is their Big Ego mascara. I like it. I mean, you know, it really doesn't give me much volume or anything, but it's not bad. So next are my lashes. These are some of my favorite lashes by Kiss, and I'm just waiting on them to get a little tacky, so I'm just gonna put my lip therapy on. So again, this is the lashes by Kiss, the Demi Wispies. It's KPE 33. Again, some of my favorites. Alright, so moving to the brows, I'm going to use this Benefit Give Me Brow in the color 4, and it's just to darken my brows just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Stila waterproof brow color in the color Dark, just to create some hair strokes at the beginning of my brows. Anytime I do my brows like a full-on carved out brow, I'll take this this color and put it in the beginning of my brows. Now I'm just taking the spoolie just to brush it out a little bit so it won't be so harsh. And the color that I filled my brows in with is the Benefit Precisely My Brow, which is what you're seeing now, in the color 3.5. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation in the color Y375. It blends in with my skin tone perfectly, but something that I've noticed about this powder foundation, it actually gets me a lot more oily throughout the day than any other foundation that I've used so far. So I don't know if it's the velvetyness of it or what. So now I'm gonna go back into that Fenty Beauty concealer and just put it a little bit under my eyes, the nose, and the Cupid's bow, and that's about it. I really don't like putting liquids on top of powder, so I'm just gonna dab until it's dabbed away. And then I am going to go back into that Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder by Becca just to set the concealer. To contour, I'm going to use this middle brown shade in this Shade and Light palette. I think this is called Shadow Play, and I am just going to do my normal. I'm going to contour my face, and then after this I'm going to, I think, apply blush. I think I'm going to apply blush. The blush that I'm going to end up using, there we go, is by VIDA Cosmetics. I think this came in another one of my BoxyCharm boxes, but I'm going to use that orangey shade that's in it, which is really, really pretty. This shade is called Castaway. Moving on to highlight, I'm going to use this Too Faced Love Light highlighter in the color You Light Up My Life. This is a very pretty golden shade that I decided to use today. So I'm going to put that in the normal places, and I'll put a little bit on the Cupid's bow and the tip of my nose. Using the color Shadow Play from that Shade and Light palette, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. And then moving on to the lips, this is the lip pencil that came in the August BoxyCharm box. It is by Steve Laurent. The color is Chic. I mean, it is a very pretty deep nude shade. And then for the gloss today, I'm going to use my NYX Mega Shine lip gloss in the color Sugar Pie. I'm just going to blend that in just a little bit, and then I'm going to finish it off by applying my matte MAC setting spray. Just mist that all over my face. You know what? I think I'm gonna go back in and put some brow 24-hour brow setter gel by Benefit on the brows, and then I'm going to put some highlighter in my inner corner and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Alright, chicas, so that is the end of the look. I hope you like it. It's something nice and cute and subtle, not too much. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Bye!
AbbyRed, AbbyRed, AbbyRed. AbbyRed.